Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to fix we are having trouble making sure it's you. PayPal error 2025. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the PayPal website on your PC. Then you want to go and clear the cache. So simply click on your browser on these three vertical dots. Then you want to go and click on settings. After going to settings, go and click on privacy and security. After going to privacy and security, go to delete browsing data and click on all options, check them all, check all these boxes, then click on clear or delete data. After clicking on delete data, click on OK, got it. Then what you should do right now is to go back and try to solve the issue and see if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if you still have the problem, the second solution that you can try is to simply log out of your VPN. So turn off your VPN, just like so. Click on your extension on the top right side, then make sure that you have your VPN toggled off. After turning off the VPN, try to see if your issue is fixed or not. The third method that you can actually try is to wait for a couple of hours before starting to do any actions on PayPal. And that is it for today's video. I hope it was useful to you all, guys. For more useful videos of this kind, please support us with like and subscribe, and see you in a new tutorial.